My nephew was diagnosed with something called a hemangioma on his liver, and he was in Boston Children's Hospital for about the first 6 or 7 months of his life. And so when we go visit him, was basically, I loved that hospital. I thought everything about it was so cool. Plus it was pediatrics, and so that's when I figured I wanted to be a nurse, and then the whole nurse practitioner thing came after. I just love kids. They're just more fun. They want to get well. They're happy to get well. They're not trying to get out of things. Well, teenagers sometimes, but they're just a lot more fun. I think they're easier to deal with. They're just a lot more fun, I think. Lots of well checks, you know, and we see anywhere from ages 0 to 18. You know, of course I love, like I said, I love the babies are just a lot of fun. The kids are fun. But then, you know, sick visits too, lots of colds, coughs, congestion, fevers, the occasional broken bone, wheezing, asthma, anything. Any sort of sickness that affects kids we typically see on a day. And just taking care of these kids. It's fun, and the group I work with, we're a big family too. I love the people I work with. We have a lot of fun together. They're like an extended part of my family. I think we all pretty much take care of each other. We all pretty much look out after each other. So I would say the patients and my coworkers are what gets me here. Well, I'm from Massachusetts, and I was in Boston the last 8 years I was there at Children's Hospital. I ended up getting a job there. And I just got tired of winter, and I had vacationed at Topsail Beach since I was 4 years old every year. So I figured I really liked North Carolina, well, coastal North Carolina was all I knew about it. And I knew I couldn't live in a place like Topsail Beach coming from Boston, and Wilmington was the nearest city, so I figured I would try Wilmington. And if I didn't like it, I could always go back. That was 7 years ago. I met my husband here. We have 2 kids now, and I have no intentions on ever going back.